joining us once again, ladies and gentlemen. The fastest drag bikes on the West Coast are about to tackle this very challenging Samoa drag strip. You may want to put your helmet on for this video because we're going to give you some never before seen, unbelievable views of the power and speed of drag bike racing. From Harley Davidson cruisers to sport bikes to pro mods, we got you covered. There is nothing like the unbridled power and crazy acceleration of motorcycle drag racing. Stay with us all throughout this video because we're going to give you some unique on-board views. I'm talking about some really fast motorcycles. Let's get it. And by the end of this video, you're going to see a 700 horsepower nitrous oxide Pro Mod Suzuki annihilate a GoPro case. But for now, we begin with Don Caesar and his GSXR 1000. Let's see that one more time. Nice clean straight run. Here comes the Ducati. Don holds him off. 920 at 147 miles an hour.
Good stuff, man.
Now let's go on board with the world's fastest mini bike, 1400 cc's.
That's the fastest pit bike in the world. You'd never catch me on it.
Now, excuse me, sir, what is your name?
My name's Alan Plowman.
Now, did I hear you say they somehow approved you to make an exhibition pass on the mini bike?
It may have been really late at night. I'm not sure they remember, but I'm going to go down the track because they said yes last night.
Were there
good.
Were there drinks involved, perhaps?
I cannot confirm nor deny.
Okay. Good luck. Be safe.
Which one? I'll pick the former.
Pit bike. Good luck, Pops.
Thank you, buddy.
Pops could have his work cut out for him with this fast young lady. She's been turning on wind lights all day. suspension working overtime. Next up, a fast Harley Sportster. Times if you want to brush up on your reaction time, or if you have never tried this. Sportster away with a red light start, but we've still got a great drag race. Oh, the bike with the ape hangers gets them at the very end. Let's take another look. What a race. Was a close one. All right, we've had this on some bikes, but why don't we put it on a lightning fast nitrous Suzuki? Let's put it on the machine of Mike Ramirez as he heads into the final. As you watch this video, we want your opinion in the comments as to what went wrong. It didn't seem like a great idea, but this is what we do on Cycle Drag. For your entertainment, we'll sacrifice our equipment. Yikes, looks like the GoPro went for a ride there. We had it security, must have really slammed the wheelie bars hard. I thought it was in a place where it would survive the run. Apparently it did not, but Mike gets the win, thank goodness. It is. I'll tell you what, that mount stays on best in the desert trucks when they flip, but a drag bike shook it off. So.
Right on, man.
Right on. Thank you, buddy. Wow. You want to see the power of a drag bike? That mount wasn't going to fail. That mount is still there. Apparently the case could not handle some drag bike fury and power. Well, I promise you I'll never put a GoPro there again.
So,
oh my goodness. How are we going to clean this rubber off?
I don't know.
I might need your help here. Goodness gracious.
wait for him to come back.
Thank you, GoPro, for being durable. All right, Mike, come here for a second. I've been in motorsports a long time. We've never had a vehicle spit off a GoPro. Your bike is so fast, so violent, that it spit off the GoPro.
It did shake just a hair.
Can you believe? What did you feel from your perspective?
It shook just for a second. I shifted out of range.
So just when you were able to make that next shift, everything straightened out?
Yeah, straightened out. And that's right about where I that much ahead of them.
And the whole time you're wide open throttle.
Never left. Never left.
The tenacity and courage is off the charts, man. Congratulations on a great win. Wait a minute, is it the legendary Jesse James? Are you really the legendary Jesse James?
Sometimes, only in my own mind.
What do you got on your hat?
Cycle drag.
You're the man. Do you watch the Cycle Drag YouTube channel?
No, but you should.
We hope that you'll start watching, and I appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we provided you with a little bit of entertainment. That's always what we aim to do. We love motorcycles. You love motorcycles. Let's keep this thing growing. Check it out, guys. Up here on the wall, 100,000 subscribers. I love it. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. We appreciate it. Please come with any story ideas. We love the comments and the feedback. I read every single one of them. The positivity is always appreciated. And you haters out there, I love you too, because you keep me on my toes. Thank you for watching no matter what. Guys, to keep this thing growing, please subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube, hit the bell for notifications, share with some friends who like drag racing, like motorcycles. This is how we can keep this thing going. And also like cycledrag.com on Facebook, and we'll keep rolling. We'll keep finding those stories. We'll keep finding those impressive high-performance motorcycles that you want to see. Thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate it. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycles involved, we are in. Cycle Drag rolls on.